Hi, back again with another unboxing and first impression video. So today I'm dressed in, I don't know, something that I found lying around, which I thought would be handy to suit the fragrance that I'm testing, that I know what it's like. I've never actually smelt this fragrance in real life. I have actually only looked at it in pictures. It's been on my to-do list for a while, and that's because it's a tea fragrance. It's widely known for being a tea fragrance, mainly tea. Now, I do drink tea once in a while. I'm more of a coffee person, but I do have a wide variety of teas that I have tested. I have friends who are in the tea business, and so I've had the experience to taste many teas from many different countries and many different styles of tea as well. So I'm curious to see if this fragrance is something exotic, or maybe it's just your regular old black tea, which is also nice. And the fragrance that I'm talking about is this one here. It's Bvlgari pour Homme extreme, or extreme, or extreme, but like there is a little hat on the E, which means I have to pronounce it like this, extreme. You're welcome, French people. All right, even though Bvlgari is Italian, I believe, and this is made in Italy. There we are. So this fragrance, I think, has been discontinued, but I found a bottle lying around somewhere on a tea plantation. No, I'm kidding. So let's open this up. Hopefully I can. Nope, I've stuffed it again. Nope. I'm trying to tear. This is the line where you're supposed to get a beautiful sort of. And then just one. There. Okay. No. Oh, no. This is killing me. All right. Open him up. All right. Bye. Nice box. I wonder, given this is an older sort of Bvlgari fragrance, that if they've over-engineered this box as well, because they usually over-engineer their boxes. And nope, stock standard box. And let's get this guy out. Now this bottle looks pretty nice. Have a look at that. Pretty cool. And the cap is on there. Kind of light. It's plastic with a little bit more shiny plastic on the side. So let's give this one a bit of a spritz on this hand here. Let's go. Nice. Nice. That is a beautiful atomizer. Let's turn him the right way. But you can see it. Oh. Really? Tea and citrus, it's a pretty nice. But it reminds me of an uncle? An uncle kind of smell? Is this an uncle kind of? Maybe I'm dressed for this fragrance. That's probably it. Look at this. This is what this smells like. Yep. If I was, all I need is to be like on a horse, maybe. Yeah, on a horse, trotting along somewhere in the countryside, and sitting down for a spot of tea in the garden and eating cucumber sandwiches. So that's what we'll do. I do smell some cucumber in here, but I don't think it's in the note listing. Not that I've seen or remember anyway. Yes. Tea and citrus. It's not your black tea. This is probably unfermented, undried tea leaf. The astringency of the tea leaf is there, and you mix that with the citrus, and it's quite odd. I can see this being a little bit polarizing, as a matter of fact. And I definitely don't think that you could dress this down. You just can't do it. Not from what I can smell anyway. I don't think you can dress this down. No, unfortunately you can't. So unless you have some things that you can wear to go with this fragrance, I really wouldn't recommend it. So there you go. There's my verdict. It's the first time I've given a verdict that requires some fashion options as well with it. So there you go. This is Bvlgari Pour Homme Extrême, and I hope this actually lasts because it's very nice. I get like something like this almost aquatic feel out of it as well. But it's not a marine aquatic. It's just the smell of water, if that actually makes sense. It probably doesn't, but it's very ethereal. Yeah, very, not aquatic. That's not the word I'm looking for, but just very soluble? No, H2O-ish maybe, if that's even a thing. There's some woods in there as well, or that just might be the stem of the tea leaf. But it is overall very pleasant for a mature personality, I might say. I don't usually put age limits or restrictions on fragrances, but I am going to say with this one that you would probably need a few speckles of grey somewhere to get away with it, or to suit it rather than it wearing you, you wear it. So there we are. Once again, Bvlgari Pour Homme Extrême, pretty nice, very unique, discontinued. If you can find it, probably grab it just out of curiosity. It's not all that expensive yet, but I imagine as it gets harder and harder to find, it probably will go up in price, as they all do. And as always, thanks for watching.